you go.
Thank you.
Leon, we're going to go snorkeling at the beach.
Yay!
Come on, Ann. Anya, say hi. Woo! It's still cold, but the wetsuit will help you a lot, Anya. Hey, son. Woo! Come on, Anya. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. You've got. Woo!
Oh shit!
Oh. Wow, wish. Hey, Anya. It's not that cold. What? Hey, winner.
It's so cold.
You'll soon. Yeah, it's a video. Say hi, Heidi. I'll maybe put this on my YouTube channel.
Oh yay! It's so cold. Please.
This is the gorgeous Zara. And there's me. And there's Master Leon. And Anya, forever she's going to. Right, well, we're going. Right, Leon. Leon, I'm going to hold this for 1 minute.
Can I put it on the water as well?
Yeah.
If it's closed.
Yeah.
I watch you put it on the water. Okay. I'm recording this of my dad. Let's put that on the water. Yeah.
Go on. Anya, get your mask on.
You're not afraid.
Anya. Right, Anya's not doing it. Come on, son, get your snorkel in. Leon, get your snorkel in.
I can't snorkel.
Put it in. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Let's go in there. Let's go. Get it in.
I can't. It's slippery.
Bite down in that bit. Bite it. Yeah. Come on, Anya! Right, Leon, you gonna come in with me and Heidi snorkeling? Let's go, buddy! Come on! Come on!
I don't want to get pinched back. Oh God, my body's getting entire cold. There's a competition. I don't want to get pinched.
Right, I'm gonna go and have a look underneath, okay, guys? Anya! You come in! Come on in!
Can I film you do it?
I'm gonna film me doing it. You can film it in a bit, okay? That's a lot colder without a dry suit on. I'm saying that's a lot colder without a dry suit on. Yeah? Yeah? Okay then. Is it cold, Zara? Is it cold?
I told you it's freezing. Leon, I did it.
Right, Leon.
Did I really do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anya, come on.
I did it! Daddy, I got out of the water! stop it. No, Diego.
Hey, Leon.
Snorkel's not working.
It is.
Breathe, obviously.
So let's go to what, guys? Hey guys, like there was a massive beef. I cannot stand that, so I had to get up.
Right, we almost stay down the swim, okay?
Hello?
Heidi, get us some of that.
So guys, if you never saw me picking up that crab leg, oh my god, it was massive. Let's get back underwater.
Right, let's go get some fish.
Yeah.
Look, we didn't have to go far to start.
There's the camera girl.
Hiya. Right, dinner. Leon, we'll just go underwater, but we'll stay still. Just stay still.
No. I breathe water. Yes, we can when the wave's coming.
Right.
Right. Right, go ahead.
Yes.
Come on then. Yeah, a bit too close, Leon. that's us going out for a wee snorkel. We're going to go down maybe 2-3 metres deep, something like that. You feeling confident, Leon? Right, you feeling confident, Heidi? Right, okay. Let's go. Are you cold? Do you want to go back? Come on then. Right, Heidi, you keep your hand wrapped around me. Right. Good, how are you getting on? Bad. Me and Master Leon is okay. Are you shivering a bit? Are you sure you're okay? Right, come on then.
I can do it.
Is that a jet? Are you enjoying your day at the beach, Leon? Are you enjoying your day at the beach, ain't ya? Are you gonna find crabs? Heidi? Heidi? You enjoying your day at the beach? Is this the best day of your life, is it, Leon? You found seaweed? Wow! Oh yeah.
I know it's trouble. I need to have a look at that. I can't believe it. I'm actually in the water.
You're in the water. Well done, darling. Well done. Do you want to go up to your neck?
No.
Why not? Go on. You can do it.
I'm scared.
You're scared. You're shivering. You calm.
I'm shaking. You took me over here.
Oh wow.
Look.
Wow, that's cool, Enya. Hey guys, have you caught any crabs, Enya? You caught any? No? Oh, you'll need to. Heidi's a fair bit out, guys. She's a good 25 feet out, maybe. Oh! Oosh! Daddy just got soaked! Oh, you wee thing! Right, well, we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Say bye!
Bye!